I walk into the kitchen. I walk into the kitchen. I stand near the counter. I stand near the counter. I take a clean cup from the shelf. I take a clean cup from the shelf. I put the cup on the counter. I put the cup on the counter. I take a kettle and fill it with water. I take a kettle and fill it with water. I put the kettle on the stove. I put the kettle on the stove. I turn on the stove. I turn on the stove. I hear the water heat slowly. I hear the water heat slowly. I take a tea bag from the box. I take a tea bag from the box. I put the tea bag into the cup. I put the tea bag into the cup. I see steam rise from the kettle. I see steam rise from the kettle. I turn off the stove. I turn off the stove. I pour hot water into the cup. I pour hot water into the cup. I watch the water change color. I watch the water change color. I smell the warm tea. I smell the warm tea. I hold the cup with both hands. I hold the cup with both hands. I feel the heat in my hands. I feel the heat in my hands. I wait for the tea to rest. I wait for the tea to rest. I take out the tea bag. I take out the tea bag. I sit at the table with my tea. I sit at the table with my tea. I take a small sip. I take a small sip. I feel relaxed and happy. I feel relaxed and happy.